Welcome to another video.
Good day, boys and girls. Or good morning, boys and girls. This look, pretty ugly, I know, but this is what happens after you wake up after having hardly any sleep. So, what has been happening? That has caused all this ugliness. Yeah, I've been moving Korean girl for the past week, or trying to help her out in her move. So it's been 1 week of going to my work at 9 at night and working till 6 in the morning. I've gotten 3 hours of sleep, and then I get up and I go to her place, I sleep out in front of her place, and then I go and I help her either pack or repair some of the things in her house that she's had to do. I've had to repair the walls, repair the floors, do some small painting, a lot of moving heavy boxes. She's minimalizing her life, so a lot of throwing things out. So I've had very little sleep in the last week, and it has caught up with me. But you know what? It's pretty much over now. And this video, I guess I'm going to add some clips of how the move process went. I never took a lot of clips because, you know what? I was just focused on getting her moved. But in the future, you're going to see more on the other channel of adventures like moving her. Anyways, like I said, I'm going to throw in some clips of our move, or her move, and I'm going to go back. I've got some clips of Capilano still I'll probably add, and honestly, I haven't looked at my computer or what I've downloaded for videos in the last week, so I'll throw in a little bit of what I have. And coming up next week, or this coming week, I'm supposed to meet up with Wayne, and he bought a brand new heater, so let's check out his new heater. He's got a Chinese diesel knockoff heater, and he wants to install it and check it out and do all that good stuff. So I'm looking forward to seeing how it works. So anyways, and notice behind me I've got a hell of a mess to clean up. I'm so lazy today. I just want to sit back, watch a movie, chill out, but I also have to make some spaghetti right away, so I have to get up eventually. Okay, good day, good morning, boys and girls. We got sunshine out. However, we're not gonna get a chance to enjoy it because today we're supposed to help Korean girl move. Yeah, look at that. Clear skies, clear everything. Wow, warm out. So, anyways, yeah, we will head and see what kind of work she's got to do. So, cheers. We'll see you back in a bit. Oh, okay. If there's anything I hate, that is moving. Oh my god. Because moving, you have so much freaking junk that you gotta throw out that you don't realize you have. And this is why I downsized and decided to live in a van. I don't have to move crap anymore from one apartment to another or from one house to another. Oh my god. And she doesn't have a lot of stuff, but you know what? It's still stuff. So, one of the neighbors, saw me moving junk out to the van. I'm helping crazy girl there pack up her stuff and move it to Value Village, all the stuff she doesn't want. So, one of the neighbors goes, "Oh, you guys are moving out." So, it's a good thing they see me doing this, because then when I sleep on her street, they don't think I'm just loitering on their street. They know that I kind of have a connection here. So, okay. Oh, no, wrong. 43. Oh, I passed it. 57. Where am I? Oh, crap. Get lost. What? I'm lost. can't find her parking spot. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not used to driving such a tiny little car. Anyways, loaded her car up so we can get rid of junk as a part of her moving. Where's the lock? Right there. Okay, done. Okay, so one of the sad things about moving is that we're missing a beautiful day, or did miss a beautiful day. Sunshine all day, and it was like plus 11, so that's totally freaking amazing to have plus 11 here in the middle of January. And I noticed back home, where I used to live in Winnipeg, they're calling for a temperature of minus 31 tonight. So ask me if I'm happy. Oh, where did I park the van? Down the street. Yeah, ask me if I'm happy. Yeah, look at this. No snow, green, and plus 11 today. But sun's going down, day's over. We're gonna take a trip out to Capilano Bridge and check out the lights. Free pass she has, so might as well take advantage of it. Like, look at the beautiful background mountainside there. I don't know if it's coming in or not, but yeah, hugely beautiful here. Okay, that's what we got after 4 days of constant moving. We have finished finally. This is the last boxes to go into her storage. It's pretty echoey in here, isn't it? Hello? Hello, hello? Anybody there? Anybody on YouTube here? Oh, just me, I guess. And you guys. Okay, there you have it. She's out of her old place into her new place. And I think maybe in a couple videos I'll interview her and ask her what she thought of the move and what she thinks of her new place. I think that's fair enough. Haven't really talked with you guys or did any videos with her. So maybe it's about time that I added a face-to-face video with her on it. But anyways, until next video, guys, stay awesome and cheers. See you next time.